We are here, day 2 at Hot Luck Festival, put on by Aaron Franklin. It's going down Fair Market on the east side. This one is BigTop, carnival theme, corn dogs. I don't know what else. I'm just hoping there's a corn dog, maybe a shrimp dog. That's what I saw, maybe. My boy Huckleberry. So let's go in, eat some dishes, talk to some chefs, and see what the best bite is. Let's go. Alright, these guys are straight out of Portland, Oregon. Pork belly tostada. Wow. Wow. Damn, that's bomb. Chris Bianco, day 2. My boy. I think you will.
I like the ratio already, though. Very thick and meaty, you know, that's good. That's always good. You know what? I'm very won over. Very won over. I mean, you know that it's not going to be exactly a pure beef burger experience, but it is a very meaty burger experience, and I think that it holds well. I mean, it's been sitting, you know? I'm game. Now, that's good. You know what I like? It's meaty. For something that's not 100% meat, it's meaty, isn't it?
I think it's pretty good.
Maybe in St. Louis.
I think it is fantastic. I like the little crunch from the cabbage.
The beet.
See?
And the beet goes on, yeah.
And the beet goes on.
Oh, go.
I give it an 8.7. What do you give it?
Oh my god. I need to go a number round. You know what? I'll go 1 through 5. I'll mess the whole thing up. Honestly, like, I think it's a fair 4. It's a very fair 4.
Wow.
Like, you know, like, and that's saying a lot for something that was cooked and sat. This is not an easy experience. But I'll say this too.
Solid 4.
Wagyu beef patty. I walked in here with no interest. Now I'm kind of interested in exploring it because it is good. It's good. How's your for a crowd?
I give it a, I mean, if we were on a scale of 1 through 5, 4.2 all day.
Okay, wow! Decimal point, guys.
All right, night 2, Hot Luck Fair Market went insane. I'm gonna say the best dish of the night was the sweetbreads. Till next time, check out episode 3 coming up tomorrow, El Fuego, the biggest night of Hot Luck by Aaron Franklin. Make sure you subscribe so you catch this next episode. It's going down.